Welcome, adventurers. Today we're embarking on a journey to discover the 20 best leg exercises for size and strength. Get ready to transform your legs and boost your fitness to new heights. We're going to smash it together, we're going to work hard, and we're going to feel incredible afterwards. Remember, a strong lower body is the foundation of a powerful physique. So grab your water bottle, put on your workout gear, and let's get started. It's time to unleash our inner warrior. Feel that power as you push through the ground. Feel the burn. Each lunge is a step towards those amazing legs you're building. Engage that core, keep your back straight and lift. You're stronger than you think. Leg press, power up those quads and glutes. Push through your heels and feel those muscles working. Bulgarian split squats, finding your balance, building strength. This one's a challenge, but you've got this. Remember to keep your core engaged. Step-ups climb your way to peak fitness. Feel that explosive power building with each step. You're unstoppable. Calf raises, reaching new heights. Feel the burn in those calves. We're going for strong and defined. Glute bridges, unlocking your posterior powerhouse. Squeeze those glutes at the top. You're building a strong and sculpted backside. Hamstring curls, isolating for maximum impact. Feel those hamstrings working. We're targeting those muscles for amazing results. Goblet squats, engage your core, sculpt your legs. Keep that chest up and core tight. You're building strength and stability. Sumo squats, widen your stance, increase the burn. Feel the burn in those inner thighs. You're targeting those hard-to-reach muscles. Box jumps, explosive power unleashed. Jump high, land softly. You're building power and agility. Pistol squats, the ultimate test of balance and strength. This one's a challenge, but take it slow and steady. You're building incredible leg strength. Walking lunges, building endurance one step at a time. Keep those lunges going. You're building stamina and strength. Romanian deadlifts, targeting those hamstrings and glutes. Feel the stretch and the burn. You're sculpting a strong and defined backside. Hack squats, quad focused for maximum growth. Push through those heels and feel the burn in those quads. Single leg deadlifts, balance, strength and control. Engage that core and keep your balance. You're building strength and stability. Jump squats, power up your plyometrics, explode upwards. You're building power and endurance. Wall sits, building mental and physical strength. Hold that position. You're building mental toughness and muscular endurance. Farmer's walk, functional strength for everyday life. Keep that core tight and those shoulders back. You're building full body strength. And there you have it, adventurers, the 20 best leg exercises for size and strength. Incorporate these into your routine and you'll be well on your way to powerful, muscular legs. Remember, consistency is key, so keep pushing yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Until next time, keep exploring and stay fit.